enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're all well, and welcome to not quite glorious Goodwood, but it's not bad. Thought it was going to be wet and raining all day, but it seems to be clear this morning. The track's wet at the moment, but hopefully it will dry out. There is a chance of showers during today. I'm sure we're going to get wet, but more importantly, this is the first track day Mark and I have done for, it's over a year now, so a little bit nervous. Yeah, I've got to admit it, I went to bed last night, butterflies in my stomach, but I'm sure once we get out there, once I get used to it, I'll settle back down into it, but really looking forward to it. Obviously Bolt has had some big upgrades since it was last out on track. It's now running 136 brake horsepower. It's got a dog box in it. Yeah, completely different setup to what it was last time. Front mounted radiator. Yeah, it should be fun. Really looking forward to it. Let me stop waffling. Let's get into some track day action.
Burst out in the Bolt.
proper sketchy to begin with. I had it sideways at certain areas, and then a pheasant run out in the middle of the road.
Oh, nice.
All right, mate. Hang on. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, it's broken down, mate. It just started misfiring and then it stopped.
Okay, so they're coming to take you back?
I don't even know if they can see I'm here, to be honest. I'm round the back of Lavant, where you come off.
So it was a pretty eventful track day. I've got to say, it was great fun. Lots going on. Really enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed watching today's footage and you want to watch a bit more of just raw track action, I will be uploading a video of all the laps very soon.
Right then, we build it, we drive it and we fix it. So while I was going around the track, it just started misfiring and lost all power. What we found out is the fuel pump has stopped pumping. It's got a live, we've just taken the pump off, and it was earthing through this bracket here, but for some reason this has lost its earth, so it might have just moved around or something like that. So we're just going to run a separate earth to it and we should be back on track, fingers crossed.
So I hope you're enjoying the video. It's probably fair to say Mark is a tad competitive, so it wouldn't be fair not to have a bit of a head-to-head race. So who do you think's going to win? Leave a comment in the description down below.